Yeah, hi guys. I decided to make this little video to provide basically an overview of the different processes and some of the steps. Those steps are not in order that were involved in a little JavaScript server-side Node project that I recently did. It's kind of funny. I started out just writing notes to try to detail this process, and then I abandoned the notes because uh, it was just they just kept growing and growing. So I decided to create a little video to provide this overview because there's a lot of different things happening in a little JavaScript Node project. There's different applications and file types, various packages and programs, different libraries, and even some special settings for the applications to run that JavaScript code. I kind of cheated a little bit. I copied some full files from an old project um, to use in this project. And this video is only going to go up to the point without including the code for using the server. It's just getting to the point where the code for the server can be used and entered, and then the server run. So this this project starts out with with a basic old command line, PowerShell or regular command prompt, and creates a new folder, and then everything's going to happen in this new empty folder. I even start the VS Code from the command prompt so that it runs in this folder. Um, the first big library used would be the npm init. These everything's already been installed on this computer. I'm not going to go through that process of installation. Um, those files that are copied from that older project are kind of important files. Uh, I copy the whole .vs code folder from an old VS Code project, and that VS Code folder has the two JSON files, the launch and the settings JSON files. And what's nice about that is it outputs the JavaScript to either the Chrome or the Edge browser. I have a flag that's set to output it to one or the other. And then the index HTML, the template is copied into this folder and then updated. A new JavaScript index file, index.javascript, is created in this new file, in this new project, and it just has a couple lines of code, a JavaScript code, to create a variable and then to output that variable to the console log. The HTML template gets updated in this project to reflect just some new code, so I know that it's actually the new HTML file. And then fixing a bug, which isn't really a bug, it's just misspelling. And then everything's good to go.